What are you excited to do, Hadley?
Do Christmas tree.
What are you excited for, Stasia?
Go to Christmas tree.
Where are we going this morning, Stasia?
Going to Christmas. We're gonna pick up a Christmas for me.
How big's the Christmas tree gonna be?
Still massive.
Where are we gonna go get the Christmas tree?
In the woods. In the woods. In the woods.
Where?
In the woods.
Who's gonna decorate it?
Everybody, say everybody. Everybody. Really joyful. It's really joyful.
I know. Yeah, look how good she's doing.
Everybody have that. Yeah.
Here you go, hold this. Hold that real quick, okay? Can you hand that to me, please? Thank you.
Why are we doing this? Here you go. I would take any of these.
Any of these what, trees? Here, we gotta get a jacket on him. Can you say thank you? Can you say thank you?
Open it.
Such pleasure do you bring me.
Ding!
Can you buy this tree for me?
You guys see any trees you like?
I like this tree.
Like this. We did it!
Christmas tree.
Why is it hot?
Guy's blade was just
The leaves are so
Is it good? Yeah. Got your Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. Christmas tree.
Here. Nice.
Put it in the hat. Put it in the hat. Ready for it.
There you go.
Keep going. Keep
Okay,
going.
go. Tell me where it is at.
Look, it's making your fox light up. Look at it on there.
You're so weird.
He has the sweet smell of cookies. Those tricky doggies. They got the cookie plate and tipped it over, and then you got cookies.